How to fix Amazon Prime Video quality. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix the quality of Amazon Prime Video. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now it is very easy to fix the quality on Amazon Prime Video. So first of all, make sure you have updated or downloaded the application to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores. In the search box, typing in Amazon Prime and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Amazon Prime application, I just want you to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you have to do is just tap on the profile icon on the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, again tap on the gear icon which you see on the very top right. Over here, tap on the button called Stream and Download. So just tap on Stream and Download. Once you go to stream and download, go ahead and select the option called streaming quality over here. So if you want to fix your streaming quality, you can actually change as to what kind of quality you want, whether you want the best, better, good, or data saver. If you want, you can also use the highest quality on Wi-Fi if possible. Or else what you could do is you could also just go to the option called download quality over here. Once you go to download quality, go to best, better, good, data saver, or always ask. Just go ahead and select the ones which you like. And this is basically it on how you can fix the download quality of Amazon Prime. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.